Tidied up a trail today, little section. She should be fun again very shortly. Raking my shovel out of the way. Yeah. So eventually you'll come through there. Got to clean that up, come down, got a drop there where you can do a beeline. Okay. Nice size drop. Come downhill. I'm going to keep this like this. I reckon this looks cool. Nice rough fern surfing. Yeah, little right hander. Bit more fern surfing, just for a bit of love, a bit of fun. So on the right there's a kicker, left there's a littler kicker. Come through. Little kicker or roller, come down these trees up to here. If you're carrying enough speed, there's a nice big table here. Comes up, clear these logs out of the way, down there, and then continue on down that way. Awesome fun.